Let us get to install the 2007 Honda Odyssey neutral safety switch. Okay, the main things you're gonna release the clips, lock this one. It's like it's turned to the upside, unlock, and then pull it out. So like this. So it's like this. See the safety switch, and you're gonna push downside. Put downside, it will be unlocked and put it out. And then you're gonna this 10 volt, and one is in a upside. But you need to first open. Okay, you see the flashlight. Okay, let me put it here. Yes, okay, so this is first 10 and second 10, and this is 12. First you need to open this one, the 12 for the gear line shift. You need to open this one. You need to open and take it out. So this is the locker for bolt, for 12 volt. Take it out and open. This is the 12. You're gonna open with the 12 socket. At the upstairs this block. You need to release this one. Release this one and open it. And then you put the new neutral switch and then put it like this. And then so this lock. There we go. Put the lock system and the locker, and then the 12 knot, tied it, and that is it. You done a job. Okay, before you open, you need to just try this locker. The locker you see here. You see the locker. This locker. You need to open it.